Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 7.3-liter gas engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the FX4 Off Road Package, the XLT Premium Package, and the 360 camera package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. With a Bedliner, you get a tailgate step as well, side bed steps as well, mud flaps on the rear, a nice bed camera up there, you got a nice platform gripped running board, side view camera with trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, you got spotlights, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with the nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. You even get a B&O sound system, carpeted interior with floor mats, cup holders, USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt, and of course you can lift up the seats for a split folding rear bench, which allows you to have more storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered door mirrors, lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 62.5 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got cup holders, more if need be, more storage down there as well with some outlets, your center console with tons of storage. You even get a little light down there, USB-Cs. You got your drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, engine start stop. You got your heated front seats with climate controls, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above with the Super Duty logo, and below storage right there as well. 6 upfitter switches we can set up however you please, and a nice powered rear window opener. Looking over here, we have our hazards and traction, and we do get a nice 360 view of your vehicle, and you can go through different camera angles. So we're just gonna go hit our bed. Looks like that you can keep a nice eye on your goods. And looking here, we have our hill descent control, and looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz, apps in general such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC81276, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.